Hello everyone. Now let us see second question for the polar plot. Let us consider type 1 and order 2 system. We can write transfer function according to g of s, h of s equal to 1 over s 1 plus st, or you can say g of s equal to 1 over s into 1 plus st, or k over s into 1 plus st. So first we will define sinusoidal transfer function. So let us consider s equal to j omega. So we have transfer function g j omega equal to k upon j omega 1 plus j omega t. Let us calculate magnitude for g j omega. Suppose magnitude is capital M, or you can write mod of g j omega. It is given by magnitude of numerator polynomial, that means k, divided by magnitude of denominator polynomial, that means magnitude of j omega into magnitude of 1 plus j omega t. So magnitude of j omega, we know it is omega, and magnitude of 1 plus j omega t, it is under root real square means 1 plus imaginary square means omega square t square. Magnitude of numerator term, that means k, divided by magnitude of j omega means under root real means 0, so 0 plus imaginary means omega square, under root omega square means omega, and for second term under root 1 plus omega square t square. So this is my first equation, or for magnitude of gj omega. Similarly, we can calculate phase for gj omega. Suppose it is phi. We can calculate phase according to numerator term as well as according to denominator term. So for numerator term, phase becomes tan inverse, imaginary means 0, real means k, tan inverse 0 by k, minus phase angle for 1 over j omega means minus tan inverse, imaginary means omega, real means 1. Imaginary means omega, real means 0, sorry. And for next term 1 plus j omega t minus tan inverse, imaginary means omega t, real means 1. So you know tan inverse 0 0, tan inverse infinity, you know 90 degree, so minus 90 degree minus tan inverse omega t. This is a phase for given transfer function. Suppose this is second equation. So to draw the polar plot, first we will define magnitude and phase for different values of omega. So according to the table, we can easily define magnitude and phase for different values of omega. So here I am considering omega 0 and omega infinity. Initial value 0, final value infinity. Generally, we will consider initial value as omega equal to 0 and final value as omega equal to infinity, because in polar plot you know omega is varied from 0 to infinity. It's your choice. You can assume any value between 0 to infinity. You can assume one value, you can assume two values, you can assume three values, but my suggestion is that there is no need to define any value between 0 to infinity. Simply assume initial value for the omega and final value for the omega. let us calculate magnitude for omega equal to 0 and phase angle for omega equal to 0. So for omega equal to 0, we can calculate magnitude from first equation. Magnitude from first equation. So we have infinity, and phase angle we have minus 90 degree. And for omega equal to infinity, magnitude becomes 0, phase angle becomes minus 90 degree. Minus 180 degree. For omega equal to infinity, magnitude becomes 0 and phase angle becomes minus 180 degree. Minus 90, so we have minus 180 degree. And for omega equal to 0, we have minus 90 degree, minus 0, so we have minus 90 degree. And for omega equal to 0, magnitude becomes k divided by 0 means infinity, and for omega equal to infinity, magnitude becomes 0. Now let us see how we can plot the polar plot, or how we can draw the polar plot for the given transfer function. From the table we can say all phase angles are negative, and angle is varies between minus 90 degree and minus 180 degree. So we can say polar plot will lie in third quadrant. Now let us define real axis, let us define imaginary axis, let us define phase, let us define angle 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Now draw the polar plot according to the table. For omega equal to 0, we have magnitude infinity, we have phase angle minus 90 degree. So this line will define a phase angle of value minus 90 degree, but magnitude is infinity. So you can say here omega equal to 0 and the magnitude is infinity. Now let us see, for omega equal to infinity, magnitude is 0 and phase angle is minus 180 degree. So at origin we know value is 0, and this line will define angle of value minus 180 degree. So here we have value 0, and we know here we have omega equal to infinity. So let us join so you can say omega is continuously increasing. Omega is increasing. And here you know magnitude is 0, and here you know magnitude is infinity. So this is polar plot for the given transfer function, or for the transfer function k over s into 1 plus st. Thank you.